What's up, everybody? Coming back here to give you a quick rundown of some of the progress that I made in the lab. So the last time I had some plans that I shared with you, starting with this beautiful dashboard. Let's go into Proxmox real quick. And what we see here, we see a couple containers on Ubuntu containers that are running, and one of those containers is running ITAK server as a container, and then we have a Portainer over here as well running as a VM in this case, right? And it's inside this Portainer we have this Heimdall Dashboard that was created using some of the links. So we have a Portainer right here, that's the container running Portainer and Heimdall. We have an iDrac for management for the server, and then the most important one, this ITAK server. So we have two links here. It's working with all the certificates and whatnot. This is the actual dashboard for the server, and then we have another link for the actual map, right? And it already picked up the location for itself as a server, and also the location for one of the remote stations, our rover right over here. And that other rover, it's installed on WinTAK. So we can go take a look at WinTAK real quick. Barely off the screen. There we go. And that's gonna populate onto the other dashboard in no time. Over here to WinTAK, this is the same stuff. It also works on the ITAK. Ooh, I will show you that one a little bit later, but you can see here the headquarters of the Juliet Bravo, the actual server, the location for the server, and then the remote station that would just activated the position with WinTAK. So super cool stuff, right? So more to follow, and hopefully I can record some of that progress and share it with you. All right, have a good week.